So what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Frances Izunyi, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to achieve this beautiful tension-free boho passion twist. If that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely watch to the end to see the entire process. And if you're new, you're welcome. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let's get into it. And hair again, so I'm starting off with already sectioned hair. I have two sections in front and one at the back. I already did the partings at the back, so I'm going to briefly show you how I part the front section of my hair, and then we get into the real deal. So this is the hair that I'll be using for this tutorial, some water wave hair and some spring twist hair. So I did call this myself. I do have a tutorial up on my channel where I show you a bunch of ways to call your braiding hair. I'm going to leave the link up there for you to click and watch if that's something you're interested in. Or you can as well buy Marley hair, Afro kinky twist hair, or Cuban twist hair for the twist, and water wave hair for the curls, and you are good. So I start with separating the spring twist hair into different pieces to give it some texture, and then I apply some shine and jam to the root of my hair, separate it in two, with one side being smaller and one side being bigger. And I place the spring twist hair in between my hair like so and start braiding. Guys, this is a whole lot easier because once I braid to the point where I transition, I just take that standalone strand of hair and join it with the spring twist hair that has no natural hair and just twist all the way down. Guys, this is so much easier than the way I used to do it. If you have watched my passion twist hair previously, you will see that I use the whole strand of hair as an individual strand, but this is a lot better because it keeps your hair flat at the root at the same time, making it easier for you when you want to transition. Guys, I hope what I said just made sense, but if it doesn't, just watch the clip, you understand it better. So now I twist a little bit once I transition and then feed in the water wave hair. So for this first feeding, this is the way that I do it. You take the one that you want hanging all the way up, and then the other end you twist it together with the hair. Now I twist this all the way to the point where I now do the second feeding, which is the curly end, and yeah. Now at this point I feed in the second water wave hair like so, and twist all the way down. Once I get to the point where the spring twist hair is left just a little, I take a little from there, tie a knot to secure the twist, and then I take everything that is left of the spring twist hair all together and wrap it around that point where I tie the knot, just like you do with locks, you just wrap it until no single strand is left. And guys, that is all there is to this. Easy, right? Simple. Yeah. Again, I apply some shine and jam to my hair, then separate my hair into two, like so. You can see the smaller part and the bigger part. Then I place the spring twist hair in between my hair, like so, and start braiding. The little strand of my natural hair I join together with a spring twist hair, and then the other strand stands alone as its individual strand, and then I start braiding. I braid the root just a little, and then I join that standalone natural hair to another standalone spring twist hair together and transition smoothly into a twist. I twist a little more and I feed in the water wave hair, like so, and continue twisting all the way down. So guys, I hope that this makes sense, because I do prefer this as opposed to using all your natural hair as a standalone for the braid. This is so much flatter at the base and it gives you that knotless braid vibe. At the same time, you can transition so smoothly without having to struggle to divide the hair in two. And if you do have a difficulty attaching your braiding hair or whatever extension you're using to the root of your hair before braiding, this makes it so much easier. Trust me on this. Now I twist the hair down to the point where I do the second feeding for the water weave hair. I twist a little more, tie a knot to secure the twist, take whatever that is left of the spring twist hair and wrap it around that knot that I tie, just to keep that nice and smooth. And that is all there is to this. And hey guys, if you are just stopping by for the very first time, or you've been watching my video without subscribing, guys, please subscribe to me. I urge you to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, like the video, comment down below for questions, recommendations. I'm always there to reply to your comment. Share this video with friends and family, to your social media platforms, and thank you as you do so. So once I was done with my entire hair, I laid my edges, apply some mousse all over my head, trim off some ends to keep the curls even, did my makeup, and that was all there is to this. And this is the finished look, you guys. Like, this is so beautiful. I love the whole mermaid goddess vibes to it. And when I tell you, this has no tension at all on the scalp, guys, just take my word for it, and it doesn't feel heavy at all. I did get a lot of compliments wearing this hairstyle. This is just an all-round super pretty hairstyle. And if you, my loves, have made it to this point and you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button and join the family. Give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below for questions, recommendation, or anything whatsoever, and I'll be there to reply your comment. Don't forget to share on your social media platform. Turn on your post notification bell as well to be the first to get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Thanks again for watching. Stay blessed, stay fabulous. See you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.